Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the inside of episode 666. I think that's what I'm going to be calling this car, because even though it's number 4, the number plate is finally the number plate I've always wanted on a car in Japan, and it's a huge step because it's my first non-S chassis since I moved to Japan. So yeah, this is episode 666, Destination Chaos. What's it like to drive the 350Z, the Z33? It's nice. It feels not too dissimilar to the S15 I drove all those years back with Akbar. I haven't driven it anywhere near its limits, so don't ask me about shit like that. But thus far, the places where I have pushed it, it has excelled. I wanted to make more of a show of it for YouTube, but not having a camera that is really easy to work with, and just time and stuff, and deciding whether I want to make a video about the car, actually just drive the car because it's new and I want to enjoy it and learn how it works, means that I haven't really gotten much fucking content about it and with it. But it's not like I'm gonna be getting rid of this anytime soon, so it'll come. What am I gonna do to this car, I'm sure, is the first thing you want to know. I know Kino STI definitely wants to know the answer to that question, and the answer is, honestly, I'm not entirely certain. The only thing that I found lacking right now is the LSD. It definitely needs an LSD, because even when I turn traction control off, viscous LSD is just shit. I can't get the back to break out in a way that is usable. Shift knob's got to fucking change. Shift knob's absolutely got to change. The steering wheel's got to change. But other than that, honestly, I can't say for certain. The suspension feels great. It could be better, but it feels great. It's far better than I'm sure stock would be. The wheels and tires, okay, the tires are pretty shit, but they're not terrible. Oh yeah, and of course sound. Fucking of course sound. This week, this is the only video you're gonna get. No 7 days, 7 minutes. Again, time. There's a lot of shit happening right now, not just the car. And I just gotta get that done and get it out of the way. And when that's done, you're gonna get some cool shit out of that too. And yeah, and hopefully some interesting things will be happening in my life as a result of it. So bear with me for a bit. Things are gonna be a bit slower. It's not like they're really all that fast to begin with, but they're gonna be a bit slow for a while. And yeah, as always, upwards and fucking onwards. Fucking A.